About this item 2022 upgraded version. This iPhone auxiliary cord for car adopts the newest original chip which certified by official, that means quality guaranteed. No damage to iPhone, no error message popping up. You don't need an extra lightning connector. Excellent compatibility, perfect design for iPhone/iPod/iPad. This iPhone auxiliary cable easily enable you to connect your iPhone to your car stereo, headphone, hi-fi, computer stereo, Bluetooth speaker or any devices equipped with standard 3.5mm audio jack auxiliary port. Impressive sound transmission. The Lightning to auxiliary cord is built with certified chip to ensure the stability and fidelity of sound transmission, giving you a fantastic music trip and experience when using this auxiliary cord. Premium quality material. The Lightning to 3.5mm cable is made of high quality textured aluminum connector, gold-plated 3.5mm conductor and durable stretch TPE material, makes the Lightning auxiliary cord to be strong but flexible, fast and sturdy connection, protected from breaking, 100% durable to use. Warranty and tech support. 36 months warranty and lifetime technical support. If any questions about this auxiliary to Lightning cable, welcome to contact our customer service. We will solve the problem.